Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Lenovo Legion Pro 5, an absolute beast of a gaming laptop that's making waves in the gaming community. With its Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, this laptop promises performance that can tackle any demanding game you throw at it. Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience? Meet the Lenovo Legion Pro 5, powered by the Intel Core i7-14650HX. This gaming laptop combines power and performance, making it a top choice for gamers and creators alike. Get ready to be mesmerized by the visual masterpiece that is the 16-inch WQXGA IPS display. This stunning screen is the epitome of immersive entertainment, transporting you to new worlds and drawing you deeper into the action. One of the key factors that set this display apart is its remarkable brightness, which peaks at an astonishing 500 nits. This means that every game, movie, and TV show you watch will be bathed in vibrant, lifelike colors that seem to leap off the screen. Whether you're exploring the lush landscapes of your favorite video game or watching the latest blockbuster, the visuals will be nothing short of breathtaking. But brightness is just the beginning. The real PSD resistance is the lightning-fast 240Hz refresh rate, which ensures that even the most demanding games and applications run smoothly and seamlessly. Imagine being in the midst of an intense battle, with bullets flying and explosions erupting all around you. With this display, you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals and silky smooth motion, allowing you to stay fully immersed in the action. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a movie buff, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of stunning visuals, this 16-inch WQXGA IPS display is sure to leave you awestruck. Its combination of remarkable brightness, lightning-fast refresh rates, and vibrant colors creates a truly immersive viewing experience that will leave you breathless. But that's not all. This display also boasts an impressive 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, which means that the colors you see on the screen are incredibly vivid and true to life. From the deepest blacks to the brightest whites, every hue is rendered with precision and accuracy, creating a visual experience that's nothing short of stunning. And with a response time of just 3 milliseconds, you can say goodbye to ghosting and blurring, and hello to crystal-clear visuals that are perfect for fast-paced games and action-packed movies. Whether you're watching a thrilling car chase or engaging in a heated gaming battle, this display will keep up with the action, delivering smooth and seamless visuals that will keep you on the edge of your seat. But what really sets this display apart is its incredible viewing angles. Thanks to the IPS panel, you can view the screen from anywhere in the room, and the colors will remain vibrant and accurate. Whether you're watching a movie with friends or family, or simply want to show off your gaming skills to a crowd, this display has got you covered. This 16-inch WQXGA IPS display is a visual powerhouse that's designed to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience. With its stunning brightness, lightning-fast refresh rates, and incredible color accuracy, it's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to take their entertainment to the next level. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of stunning visuals, this display is sure to leave you awestruck. But the impressive features don't stop there. This display also boasts a range of innovative technologies designed to reduce eye strain and improve your overall viewing experience. For example, the built-in blue light filter helps to reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen, which can contribute to eye fatigue and disrupt your sleep patterns. The display features a flicker-free design, which means that the screen's backlight is always on, reducing the flicker that can cause eye strain. This makes it perfect for extended gaming or video watching sessions, where eye comfort is essential. Furthermore, the display's impressive color accuracy and wide color gamut make it an ideal choice for professionals who require precise color representation, such as graphic designers, photographers, and videographers. With this display, you can trust that the colors you see on the screen are accurate and true to life, making it easier to edit and retouch your work with confidence. In terms of connectivity, the display features a range of ports and interfaces, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, making it easy to connect to your laptop, desktop, or gaming console. Plus, with its slim and lightweight design, you can easily take it with you on the go, making it perfect for remote work, travel, or gaming on the move. Overall, this 16-inch WQXGA IPS display is a game-changer for anyone who wants to take their entertainment, productivity, or creativity to the next level. With its stunning visuals, innovative features, and impressive connectivity options, it's the perfect choice for anyone who demands the best. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of stunning visuals, this display is sure to exceed your expectations. Its impressive features, combined with its sleek and durable design, make it the perfect addition to any setup. But don't just take our word for it. This display has been praised by critics and users alike for its exceptional performance and value. With its impressive color accuracy, lightning-fast refresh rates, and innovative features, it's no wonder that it's quickly becoming the go-to choice for anyone who demands the best. In fact, this display has been certified by some of the top testing labs in the industry, including Display HDR and NVIDIA G-Sync. These certifications ensure that the display meets the highest standards for color accuracy, brightness, and refresh rates, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're getting a top-quality product. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB SSD, you'll have all the space you need for your games, applications, and files. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Plus, with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card featuring 8 GB of dedicated memory, you're in for an immersive experience with ray tracing and AI enhancements. This laptop isn't just powerful, it also comes with Windows 11 and Office 2021 pre-installed, so you can tackle work as easily as you tackle your favorite games. And don't forget about the 3-month Game Pass, which opens up a world of gaming possibilities. All this in a sleek, grey chassis that weighs only 2.5 kilograms, making it perfect for gaming on the go. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? Check out the link in the description to grab your Lenovo Legion Pro 5 today for just 1,56,990. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech reviews.